I just didn't want to come
I
out
can't
like that.
move my mouse. There we go.
The right side's already out.
Oh.
So is the elevator.
Gotta make this somewhat possible.
No.
It was possible.
What's this?
Motherfucker.
First.
Doesn't matter who's
Second.
no one's getting off.
No, first gets extra points.
No,
Yeah,
everybody's
y'all
making
win
it.
again.
Oh.
Oh, refall. If you would have fallen through that and fell, it would have left.
The
No,
fuck is
stop
that?
stealing my signature item.
I can't move my mouse up! Ah!
What the fuck?
How do I move my mouse up? Ah!
Hey, you almost did it. You gotta spaz it diagonally.
Ah! Didn't work.
You
had
can't
it,
pick.
You had it for a split second.
Why can't I do this? What the fuck? This happened last time.
You almost.
There we go.
Ah, you got it.
I had to like tab out, move my mouse, and tab
Jack.
back in.
Jack, do not do
Ah,
that.
shit. I fucked up. Is that a black
Jack?
hole? What's
Yeah.
that do?
Sucks you in.
It sucks. It sucks you dry.
Yeah. So.
Where's the spawn? Oh, god damn it.
I'm a pro.
Oh, fuck.
Is that a pro?
Is that a pro Genji? I think it is.
Good job.
What?
I was
Fuck.
hoping to go right into a black hole, dude. I was hoping.
If anything, I would have overshot it.
Wait, what'd I get?
No fucking. No.
The fuck is this?
Yeah.
No, put it over here. Put it over here. Put it over here.
Put it over here. That's a good place.
Wait, what is it?
I hate you guys so much. I hate you guys so much.
Wait, what is this thing?
No. Put it back. Put it back down there. Put it back down there. Quick.
What?
Jack, it makes Jack not be able to do it.
I hate you guys
Good
so
talk.
much.
Wait, what is it?
Something that you shouldn't. That something that's great.
I made it. Fuck you guys.
Jack did it.
Oh, fuck. That was glass.
Chimpey did it. I am pro Genji.
Is that a pro game?
Is that a pro Genji? Yeah. Oh, time for my god tennis. Wait, where's my shit?
Wait, what is this?
Where's
It's
my
like a-
stuff?
Is this a cell phone?
It's a teleporter. You need 2 of them.
Oh.
Where'd my thing go?
What, your tennis ball thing?
I'm really hoping for someone to die in that first one.
What hit me, dude? What hit me? Oh, that thing. It's facing that way?
What?
It's. I
Oh!
didn't realize it was facing this way.
I was trying to crouch. What's the crouch button?
Down.
It's done.
Or S.
Yeah. Waz the.
Oh, I was clicking control.
Oh damn, I got trapped once.
I was using the Waz. Yo, don't use the mobs. Don't use the mobs. Just throw them out. Just throw them out.
Nobody's
I
ever
saw
getting that coin.
I saw that coin.
Yeah, nobody's getting that. Oh, come on, Jack.
Motherfucker.
You can't make it there anyways.
You can.
Well, you can't make it a different way.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, come on! I almost crushed Arenia.
Jack, don't. Be careful.
Oh my god.
I made this impossible.
I didn't realize that those were thorns.
Did you just jump into them?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, shit. Jack's playing this game well.
Guys, oh no.
Oh!
You fucking trap!
Mortem.
My own trap!
Hey, you got a post-mortem.
I was killed by a trap of my own design.
Got the achievement Necromancer Dancer just now.
I can't move my mouse!
Oh god. Look at this fucking nightmare we've created.
I bet Jack hates the pit. Jack, I saw that. And, well, whoever put that down, I saw that.
Don't worry about it.
I think it's a. Oh, never mind.
I can't wait for someone to die at the beginning.
Oh my god.
You're welcome.
Oh shit.
I think I make good torturous maps. Like not fun, just torture.
Wait, how did I die?
You got
Oh
rushed.
no. Wait, what? That hit Rini.
Wait, is he dead too? Ah, shit, you fuck.
He still has to win.
The button is higher than everything else. Oh, and that shit's there.
Aw, damn it. Oh,
Fuck you, Raymond.
Go solo first.
guys, don't worry, I'm the underdog.
Oh,
Even
yeah,
though I'm a
yeah.
horse.
But don't worry, I'm the best.
Underhorse.
I'm the underhorse.
I am the box. Go.
Wait,
Guys,
there's...
It's awkward when you guys.
Oh.
Guys, try to get through the beginning.
What's at the beginning? Oh shit. Fuck.
Is he making it
Ah!
No. Oh my god.
Come on, guys, get through it.
I don't think it's possible.
It is. But
Oh,
it's
you have to
very-
crouch to the bottom, right?
No, you can't do that. You have to jump off on the side of the rotating thing and then jump around the spike, I think.
Yeah. And
What?
try not to get hit by the spike
Yeah,
itself.
you had it. Come on, you
What?
can do it. I
Ah.
believe in you.
Why is he the test subject?
Oh, you gotta be more confident about it. You hesitate. No,
I-
lower step. There it is. Ah. Okay, just give up. We'll blow it up. We'll blow it up.
No, you won't.
Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do, I think.
The underhorse.
Oh shit, they didn't give us a problem. Alright,
Get
alright, I solved
wrecked.
problem.
The
I
fuck?
solved
Why
the
can't I?
problem. Red.
I click.
Click it.
I am.
Hey.
Hey, Lameo.
You did this.
I'm making this pinwheel of
Please
death.
don't. Oh.
I'm just making this pinwheel impossible for Jack.
Oh, okay, let's see. What did you guys do? Fuck
Jack,
you
put it on
guys.
the left of the box.
Jack, put the honey.
The left of the
Jack-
starting box. No, the starting box.
Somebody get a bomb!
Wait, is
Oh,
it
no,
possible now?
Yeah, it's still possible.
Really not.
No, you can't jump from this. Oh, I see what Jack's doing.
I mean, that's the
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, I was trying that too. It's not possible. Get a bomb. Somebody get a bomb.
This is honestly cancer, dude.
No.
No.
Get off. Everything is bombs.
Fuck this coin.
Why that coin?
Fuck your
Why
life.
Why
No,
everything?
why that? Why?
No! No, on the start, we need to
Jack,
leave the-
Jack, the start. No, no. Up. Go up one. No. Down one. Oh my God. Get all of them.
No!
No. God damn it, Jack. Jack, you could have got all of them. Guys, don't worry. I got
can't
this
hear,
time.
dude.
What?
What's Rini doing?
I have no idea.
I didn't want to get all of them.
You're a fucking
Jack, but now we can't go
You're a
through.
fucking idiot.
God
I was
damn
trying
it.
to get the spike ball in the
Guys.
I just win by default right
No, you
now. Holy fucking Luya.
don't. Wait, but I have it.
I know so.
Oh, never mind. I'm about to have a field day. No, Rini, don't do anything. Just blow it up. There's nothing that you should take away. Everything's good. Oh no, get rid of the tire. Make it good. Make it at least a challenge. So you gotta wait till the door opens.
Still gotta do that with the tire, dude.
What?
Damn.
Rini, why didn't you just wait? Why didn't you just get rid of the tire? So you gotta wait till the door. I just waited. I fuck.
Ah,
Yeah, but still, it's funner.
it's more fun.
It's. I still made it impossible for Jack, which is my goal. Jack.
You tried. You got the at least you tried to work.
I'm blocking the arrows.
Oh,
Okay?
Fuck? I didn't get hit by it. Oh my God, Jack. It's going in your asshole.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
Wait, Jack, you're still. Okay.
But everything's bombs now.
I say I'm gonna blow up Chimpey. Come over here.
No.
Fuck this.
What'll make this harder? What do I blow up?
Are you blowing up that coin? No one's gonna get it.
That's
There's
the
nothing to
point.
make this harder with. Eh, fuck that.
Jack always just loses his shit.
No, there's nothing to blow up.
Yeah, there really wasn't. I kind of just plopped it down. Oh. What? What?
No!
God damn
We
it!
all did. All three of us got hit by the same arrow.
No, I didn't get hit by an arrow. I got crushed
No.
between the wood and the
Really,
box.
Me and you both got hit by that.
I got crushed from the elevator and a box that I didn't see.
Reenie's gonna win by fucking default. Everyone's just waiting.
Oh, god damn it. You prick. Now we're not going to be able to go through and he's going to win.
That's why I'm the one who did that shit.
Oh wait, the diamond!
Ah!
My body.
What? 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 Oh, fuck.
Yo,
What?
Chimpey,
It keeps moving.
hold backspace, hold backspace.
What does backspace do?
Hold it.
Oh, no, I'm not giving up. You fucking nuts. What? Oh, fuck.
That's right, son. Yes, he figured it out. Hey!
Hey.
Who blew up the barbed wire one?
Hey, hey. What? How do I get up?
Oh my god, you fucking call the elevator, dumbass.
Good point.
Old B, they give up.
I ain't giving up now. Oh, shit. Whoop.
You died to that.
No, we didn't.
She
You
did.
know how this game works.
Uh,
You won't die if you get up there. Dude! It's not that hard. Why are you walking so
The fuck am I supposed to go?
above? You can wall run off of the elevator there.
Wait,
you could
hold
jump.
on. How the?
You could
how
jump.
did
You
he
could.
make it?
You could jump on top of the
Yeah,
elevator.
you can go over that. Yeah,
Oh, I
there
see.
you go.
Ah!
Wait, how did he make it?
He's not retarded. I killed myself because I knew I
God damn it!
I said he's not
The
retarded.
smallest hole in history! And I
Win,
fall.
I did it!
I wouldn't have got enough
Underhorse.
points anyway.
Underhorse.
The Underhorse. How about that episode of Ultimate Chicken Horse? I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I'm the best there. Come on, you gotta admit that. Well, if you did enjoy, please leave a like and comment down below if you want to see me play in videos, ask any questions, and I'll answer them. Have a good day.